Wait, hold on. Let me restart that because this still feels unreal. So one of my subscribers DM'd me and said, "Hey, look at this channel." And I almost ignored it, which, yeah, bad habit. But then I clicked and immediately thought, okay, this is not normal because there is a brand new YouTube channel called Vibe Storytime. And they did not grind for years. They did not upload for fun. They did not get lucky once. They posted their first video just a few months ago and already crossed over 4 million total views from only 87 uploads, which makes no sense until it does. And here is the part that should make you pause. Every single video on that channel pulls hundreds of thousands of views. Like, there are no dead uploads, no experiments that failed, no awkward phase. And their top video is already brushing 1 million views, which for a channel this young is honestly disrespectful to the rest of YouTube. And yeah, before you ask, yes, the estimated monthly revenue is sitting somewhere between $2,000 and $10,000 every single month, depending on RPM and upload frequency. So yeah, stick around until the end because I recreated this entire system for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and more importantly, how you can replicate it without showing your face, without reading books, and without burning out. So here's the core idea, and trust me, do not skip this part. They're telling African village stories and history, but not in a boring documentary way. They package it as emotionally loaded, story-driven narratives. Things like how children are expected to behave in a village, how respected figures lived strange or admired lives, stories driven by greed, wealth, betrayal, love, family, fame, hatred, jealousy, all the stuff the algorithm loves because humans love it. And here's the twist, they're not limited to history. They also create modern moral stories, like how a wicked auntie destroyed her niece's art, which by the way crossed 1 million views in under a month. So this is not education, this is engineered storytelling. And the wild part is, they're not researching for weeks or writing novels, they're using AI. Specifically Magic Light AI to generate everything: visuals, voice, story structure, animation, the whole pipeline. So real quick, if you've ever said, "I'll start a Faceless channel someday," this is that someday. So let's break it down. Systems first, tools second. Head over to Magic Light AI, create an account, log in, and you land on the main dashboard. This is the control center, and yeah, it looks simple, but it's doing a lot under the hood. You'll see options like story to video, kids story one click, which is what we're focusing on, explainer one click, create music video, character vlog, and below that advanced tools like AI video agent, image to video, and AI character. And side note, yes, you can literally create a full music video with one prompt inside Magic Light, which is insane. And yeah, that's a separate tutorial, but today we stay focused. Kids Story Pipeline. Before we even generate a full story, I want you to understand how strong the animation engine is. So click Image to Video, upload any image, enter a prompt describing motion like character walking, wind blowing, subtle head movement, stuff like that. Then choose your video model. Magic Light gives you access to models like Vo 3.1, Sora 2.3, Hilo 2.3, cinematic level stuff. Then pick resolution, always go highest. Duration, sound effects on or off, click Create Video, wait a bit, preview the result. You'll notice the movement is smooth, not stiff, not slideshow energy. And if sound effects are enabled, they're clean, usable, and ready to go. Download it, done. Now, quick detour. Click Story to Video. This matters because Magic Light integrates Gemini 3, which means way better story comprehension, less generic output, more layered narratives. When you open the model selector, you'll see GPT-4, GPT-5, and Gemini 3. Choose Gemini 3 every time for storytelling. Then, in the Smart Script box, type a simple idea, like a greedy villager learns a painful lesson. Click Expand, and Magic Light generates a full, ready-to-use script. And if you're stuck, they literally give you trending scripts inspired by what's popping on YouTube and TikTok. So you're not guessing, you're borrowing demand, which is the entire game. Now let's build the actual Kid Story video. Go back home, click Kid Story one click, and you're inside the main workflow. First box, Story Topic. Type your idea or choose from suggested topics below. This is where you align with your niche. Then choose visual style, realistic, 3D, cartoon, Disney, Pixar, and more. Choose based on audience. For this demo, Pixar style because it's clean, colorful, high retention. Next, aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts. Choose accordingly. Duration, Magic Light allows up to 30 minutes, which is ridiculous. Most tools cap way earlier. For demo, 1 minute. Language, choose based on audience. Global reach is built in. Then video model. Choose Kling AI or similar for smooth animation. Next, voiceover. This matters. Preview voices, pick one that matches story tone. Calm, energetic, whatever fits. Then background music. Same idea. Preview, choose mood. Once settings are done, you have two options. Preview storyboard for control or create video for automation. For speed, click Create Video. Wait, Magic Light generates everything. Title, summary, hashtags included, which helps SEO. Preview the video.
One day, he found one shining in the sky. At its end, his imaginary friends were waiting to play. They played tag and hide and seek. The air filled with laughter and fun. When it was time to go home, Leo waved goodbye. He smiled, knowing his friends would be waiting. They would be waiting after the next rain. Leo couldn't wait to see them again. He knew they would have more adventures together. He felt grateful for his special rainbow and for the magical friends it brought to him.
If it looks good, download. If not, click Edit. This opens the storyboard editor. Now, this is where control lives. You can adjust voiceover speed, swap voices entirely, or even clone your own voice. Yes, voice cloning is built in. Upload a short sample, generate, and now your voice is reusable across videos. Then, scene by scene, you can edit image prompts, regenerate visuals, animate them with different models, add sound effects per scene. This is where you add uniqueness. Do not rush this part. Continue through all scenes. Once satisfied, click Next, Subtitle section, choose a clean, readable style, then Background Music section, lower volume slightly so narration stays clear, choose track, finalize settings, click Generate, and that's it. Your kid's story video is done.
He found one shining in the sky. At its end, his imaginary friends were waiting to play. They played tag and hide and seek. The air filled with laughter and fun. When it was time to go home, Leo waved goodbye. He smiled, knowing his friends would be waiting. They would be waiting after the next rain. Leo couldn't wait to see them again. He knew they would have more adventures together. He felt grateful for his special rainbow and for the magical friends it brought to him.
Now here's the real takeaway, because tools are replaceable, systems are not. Vibe Storytime is winning because they understood emotional storytelling, packaged for scale. AI just removes friction. So if you're ready, drop a comment that says Magic Light, because I will pick 4 users from the comment section that will stand a chance to win free memberships account to start using Magic Light tool unlimited. Do not skip this experiment. Try one upload, test the response, and build from there. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.